All right, Dad. Here comes the dinner.
Oh, okay.
For our lazy Saturday dinner, I have leftover basmati rice from yesterday to make fried rice. In this dish, it requires soy sauce, so for that, I'm using a teaspoon of this Coco aminos as an alternative soy sauce. Also with peas and carrots, onions and garlic. Now moving next to the entree, here I have salmon, leftover caramelized onions and mushrooms, also made from yesterday. And of course, for side vegetable, I have broccolis. Let's start with fried rice first, okay? Let's heat the pan first. Add a tablespoon unsalted butter and olive oil. Then add onions first, then garlic. Cook and saute them for 5 minutes. Add peas and carrots and let it brown for extra 5 minutes. I shredded rice first from sticking together before adding rice into skillet. Then cook rice for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. And lastly, add the alternative soy sauce, which is cocoa aminos, about teaspoon, and stir rice together until well combined. And cook rice more for extra 5 minutes. By the way, as I was cooking fried rice, at the same time, I was also cooking the broccoli by steaming them in a pot. You could also boil them if you wish. Let's move on to salmon. In another skillet, add butter and olive oil. Then add leftover mushrooms and onions. Also, at the same time, add salmon with onions and mushrooms and let it cook for 5 minutes each side on high heat. Oh, would you look at that perfectly cooked broccolis? Look at my fried rice. And also the salmon as our entree is also done, almost done for suppers. There, I'm done cooking my lazy Saturday dinner tonight. Turning some leftovers into delicious meal. All right, Dad. Here comes the dinner. Look what we're having.
Throw that away.
Okay. What do you see?
Rice,
Mm-hmm.
peas,
Carrots.
grass, fish,
Yeah. Salmon.
Salmon, yeah. Salmon.
And your vegetables.
Vegetables.
Yeah, broccoli.
Broccoli.
And what are those? It's mushrooms and onions.
Oh.
Your favorite. Alright, Dad, I'll let you eat, okay? Thank you again for watching my channel. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification for new video updates. Until next time, see you!